What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do this side swoop with the edges and also with this little ball. It could be a side swoop with a puff, side swoop or whatever. So I know this is just a little cute little hairstyle. This can go for people with long hair, also with short hair. For short hair, you can do this, and I will be explaining it in this video how, if you have short hair, you can also achieve this look. So keep watching this video if you really want to learn how to get this amazing, cute, cute look. I said cute already. But yeah, so if you are not a part of the Pretty Babies, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell so that you can get notified every time I post. I don't even say that, but I just feel like I had to say it because I feel like new people gonna come on this video because it's a hair tutorial. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get right into this hair tutorial. Enough of the talking. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to start off by showing y'all the products that I like to use for my hair. So I didn't know I was running low on gel, so I'm gonna be using this olive oil gel. I'm not gonna use a lot of it because it is for my mom and this doesn't work for my hair, but I do need like a little gel to kind of help my hair slick just a little bit. And the last product that I'm going to be using is this Murray's Beeswax. If you ever watch my hair tutorials, then you know I love using this because this actually helps with my edges and actually helps keep my hair slick. And those are the only two products I'm going to use. Now for the materials, or whatever you want to call this, I'm going to be using some rubber bands. So I use rubber bands for my hair. I don't know about y'all. I use rubber bands because rubber bands actually help pull all my hair together because I do have thick hair, and yeah, so that helps. And I'm also going to be using this brush to kind of like, you know, as I'm pulling my hair back, I use the brush. And I also use this rat tail comb. Now I know rat tail combs are not, you know, really supposed to be used for natural hair, but I've been using rat tail combs forever, like since I started learning how to do my hair, and it's been keeping my hair cute, as y'all can see. Not now though, but yeah. And so for the last two stuff I'm going to use for my hair, I also have this toothbrush. I don't even know why I have this. I think it's just to like kind of get what I didn't get when I pull my hair back in a ponytail. And also I'm going to be using this comb right here, and I only use this for my edges because I don't have an edge brush, so I'm going to be using this, and this kind of works like an edge brush. And I'm also going to use this part right here to kind of create my swoop. So enough talking, those are the only things I'm going to be using, and let's jump right into this hair video. So I don't want to hear nothing about how y'all hair too short for this because I cut my hair. As y'all can see, I can't pull this all the way down anymore. It usually come all the way down here, but I accidentally cut it the wrong way, so now I have some little bang-yangs. I'm not happy with that. This cannot fit with the swoop all the way, so that's what the Murray's is for. So let me just shut up and show y'all what I'm talking about. So now I'm going to create the swoop, and I kind of like my swoop to be right here. So I'm going to create the swoop like that. So just create a little swoop, and I kind of want it to be longer than that, so let me just make it. So I take the little ending part and then I swoop like that. And it doesn't be perfect all the time, so we just gonna make it perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is where this stops, I'm gonna extend it all the way over so that I can put this in a ponytail. Alright, so you tied that up, and now we're going to fix the rest of this. So now I'm going to take my gel that I have, and we're going to slick this to the back. So I take the gel and I apply it. And actually for this piece right here, it's supposed to go all the way down. Like all the way right here. So let's fix that. Alright, so yes. There we go. So that's perfect. And now we're just going to focus on slicking all of this to the back. And it kind of helps when you take all the gel and kind of like add it to the hair and finger detangle with the gel so that it can make it easy for you to slick to the back, because that's what we're focusing on doing. So let's do that. So now that we have it kind of looking easy to slick to the back, that's what we're about to do. We're about to slick this onto the back. So let's do that. And this is where the rat tail comb comes in. And I know a lot of y'all don't use rat tail combs, but I do. And it kind of like really works for my hair. So we're just focusing on combing all of this to the back. And if you cannot comb all your hair to the back, you can obviously put your hair in sections, because that's what I used to do when my hair was like, it couldn't fit really. I used to do sections, or sometimes when my hair was too thick like it is now, but I could actually slick it back like this. You can do your hair in sections to make it easy. Alright, so make sure when you do this, you squeeze your hair super tight so that the ponytail could be tight and that it won't go nowhere. So kind of turn to the side so y'all can see. There we go. And this is when I take 2 rubber bands, because I need this to be super duper tight, and I fold it twice. So we tied that up really good. I don't know if y'all can see that. And let me get this towel, because I got gel all on my neck, all on my arms and stuff. Whew. So don't ever say you can't get your hair like this just because you bald headed, or you never was able to fit your hair in a ponytail, because I cut my hair recently and still able to do this. So that's what I use the toothbrush for, to kind of like fix it. I know y'all can't see. Alright, so now we got that all good and slick. Boom. And now for the last little piece is this little swoopity swoop. Y'all look how short that is. Like, I really did the most when I cut my hair. I cut like a big old chunk. Ooh. But that don't mean nothing. This is the part where if you bald headed or not, you can still get it like this. So this is the part where I use the Murray's beeswax. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the beeswax, and I like to take a lot, because that's the only way this thing is gonna slick. And we're gonna take a lot. It does turn white, but you have to comb through it for it to blend in with the hair color, and to also get it out, because you don't want all that white stuff in your hair. But yeah, so I put too much. Okay, but the more the better. So like for the swoop part, I do not add gel, because I don't need the swoop part to kind of be curly. I don't want that to be curly. That's the mistake. So now we're gonna comb through this. And I don't really like mine all the way on my forehead, because I don't need my skin to break out. So we're going to comb it. And I can't really explain it, but I just like comb it, and then I hold it when it gets to the end. And then I pull the before part over, if that makes sense. I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I have buku wax stuck in this comb. So I think I need to zoom into this part so y'all can see clearly what I'm doing, if you can't. So boom, I zoomed in so y'all can see your girl. So you bring down and then you move over. Y'all, guess what? I'm using the wrong comb. So I like to use something that's gonna make it kind of easy to do. That's why it's not working. So yeah, there we go. All right, we got this. Okay, so this is like really hard, y'all. There we go. So I just comb like the side to the side. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is take my rubber band again, and we finna add this to the ponytail. Alright, and make sure you tie this thing tight. You can make it a ball, or you can have it down. I'm gonna have mine down. So now we're finna do the edges. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like. Kind of like fix this up just a little bit. But if you want it to kind of like hold off, like I said, if you have short hair and you're afraid that it will come up, all you have to do honestly is just kind of like tie your hair up because that would like do a good job by tying your hair up. It will actually hold. And I also heard the technique with someone doing like Murray's beeswax, like the stuff that I use, someone uses this and they also use got to be glue, so you can use got to be glue as well. That will hold it 10 times stronger. So yeah, so while you're here, let me show y'all the back. Alright, so you can also kind of like freestyle the hairstyle up just a little bit. You don't have to do the most. If you don't want to, you can. It's your hair. So you can add like some scrunchies to it. I'm about to add this. Does this fit? Anyway, I'm brown, so yeah, you can add some scrunchies to it. Kind of like fix the style up, add some design or something to it. You can add like some little clips to it. I don't have any clips. You can do that. You can also add a ball instead of a puff. So if you don't like your puff, you can add a ball like this or something. Boom. So I have like a cute little ball. There's many ways you can style this hairstyle. It doesn't have to be a puff. It could be a ball. It could be a pigtail. It could be whatever. Not a pigtail, but like a little braid. It can be whatever you want it to be. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this though, because this is actually cute, especially this angle. One of my earrings fell out. I don't think no one asked, but this is the finished look. You can add more edges or whatever. I just kind of did mine like that. You know, you can tie it up so that it can be even more like slick if you like. So yeah, thank you all for watching. This completes the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed, you already know what to do. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.